Hello everybody, welcome to the Kool Zone. Today I have made another amazing waffle dish. Please make sure you watch the whole video. Kool Zone. So I wanted to give you just a little preview on what we put together today. This is what I call my jammin' blackberry jalapeno grilled cheese waffle. So I thought I would just get the bacon knocked out, get it out the way. Bacon is such a beautiful thing. I love the smell of bacon. And I enjoy the sound too. Bacon is such a relaxing sound. Wouldn't you agree? I've been searching on the inside, cause the pain that I endure makes the songs cry, and the tears come from my calm eyes. Life's a bitch and I'm looking for a strong line to make you understand why I'm here and where I draw the line. They say the sun gonna come out in due time, but these dark skies got me headed to the dark side. In a dark place, fighting for my sanity. This can't be life, God. I'm working with the things that you handed me. I lost my family. So putting this together was amazing. I love how the blackberry went with everything. The blackberry with the jalapenos and the bacon and the Swiss cheese. They all complemented each other and the taste was amazing. Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say. You know, one thing that I've learned on this YouTube journey, you can't be afraid to take chances. You can't be afraid to take risks. Because if you don't take that risk, you'll never know the outcome. So all I have to say is this. Whatever you want to do, take that risk. Take that jump. Take that leap of faith. You may fall down, but just get right back up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see right here, this is the final product. This is my jammin' blackberry jalapeno grilled cheese waffle. And let me tell you folks, it was amazing. Well, if you like this video and you would like to see more from the Kool Zone, more creativity and what we do with these waffles and many other dishes, please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hawk smash that like button also, and you will see much more videos from the Kool Zone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love you all. Kool Zone out. Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say or do in life. Yeah, I gotta make these choices right. I feel so defeated right now, but I live to fight. I live to fight.